Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Karina and today I am going to do a testing out foundation that is everyone been hyping about it. Like I've seen like on TikTok, on my Instagram, and every girls start using it. And of course, I love me some good drugstore product and I just want to try it and see. So I am going to read what's on the bottle. Like it says that it's full coverage, 24-hour wear, oil control, and shine free. I'm kind of like worried about that because I have sort of like dry skin, but I get oily on certain area after a few hours of wearing makeup, but that's fine. And it's breathable, sweat and sebum resistant, oil free, and also fade and transfer resistant. First thing first, like what questioned me is that like a lot of product they claim like 24-hour of using their product. Like this is like SUPERSTAY 24-hour full coverage foundation. I don't know about you guys, like who would wear 24 hours makeup? Like who? Yeah, maybe you would wear like 12 hours. I get it, like you go to work and you wear some makeup, but it's okay. So now I am just gonna jump right into it and let's go. So first thing first, I'm going to use a primer. Okay, I am going to use NARS Smooth and Protect primer. So I'm just gonna like apply on the area where I get normally oily, which is on my T-zone, right? My chin and also my forehead. This is like one of my favorite primer because it blurs out your pores beautifully. Okay, and then so I got this foundation in shade of 312 Golden. They have like slightly darker than this, but I thought that would be like too dark for me, but let's see. Right, so let's see this. It is definitely full coverage. I only like did one pump or two pumps maybe, but she is full coverage foundation. Like, can you see it? Wow. Definitely give you coverage if you're the type of like person that would like to wear full coverage makeup. This foundation is definitely for you. I mean, I love me some like full coverage foundation, but not too like, you know, crazy. It doesn't give me like, I don't know, I can't tell. It definitely doesn't feel sticky or hard. Like it's pretty easy to blend as well. Look. Wow, unbelievable. This is just one pump, okay? I'm not lying. Just one pump and I get this coverage. Coverage wise, it is perfect as how they claim the foundation will be, which is good. So if you follow me on Instagram, I did a poll on my story asking you guys, like, would you guys wear makeup more than 9 hours? Like these days I can't wear makeup more than 5 to 6 hours. I just feel like uncomfortable on my face, because when I used to work in MAC, I wear makeup like more, like about 12 hours a day, you know. And I believe that when you like to wear makeup like that every day, your skincare routine has to be like bomb, you know. So that's what I like. Like color wise, it's not that bad. It's pretty kind of like, it's more yellow, but so now I'm gonna take my damn beauty blender and just like pressing the product. This is what I usually do. I will apply my foundation with a brush and then blend it with beauty blender after that. It's really good coverage for the Drugstore product, like really. I like the other one, Fit Me foundation. It's really good as well. This is definitely more coverage than Fit Me foundation. So yeah, I am going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. So now it is 2:53 p.m. I am going to come back in 4 hours and see how the makeup looks like on my face. See you guys.
Much later.
Okay guys, now we are back. We are now at almost 7. Oh, 37 by the way. And I went out a little bit. I was sweating because the weather is super hot. And I can see that there is a little bit of like oily around this area and also my forehead, which is normal for T-zone. It's not so bad and it's not like too crazy as well. So other than that, it sits pretty well for me. I am going to come back in about another 4 hours or maybe in the midnight, and I'll give you guys the final thought of what I think about this foundation. I'll see you guys.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay guys, now I'm back with my final thoughts. As you can see that I am pretty greasy right now. Right? I am greasy around this area. Put in mind that I baked under my eyes, so this is like normal for me to get oily, and also my forehead. So after the first check-in, I did not go out, so I did not touch up my face, nothing. I didn't touch anything on my face. I ate, I cooked, and yeah, this is what it is. But I gotta say that I got less oily wearing this foundation more than when I use Fenty Beauty, you know. So when I use Fenty Beauty, like after 5 hours, I tend to get like more oilier than this foundation, but it's fine by me because I have a dry skin. But this one is just that I can see cracks, like, let me just come, like around my nose. It's just cracking. So this actually looks pretty good right now. If I see in the camera, right? It looks pretty good. Like it's still intact. But if you get dry or on this area, like, no honey. So whatever they claim on this bottle, it's pretty much is what it is. If it's good for 24 hours, yeah, you could wear it 24 hours, but you will look like hella. Just don't wear foundation for 24 hours, like seriously. Like even now, like my skin screaming at me. Okay, I'm like ready to, you know, call it a night. All right, and I would recommend this foundation if you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, then I would suggest you to, you know, prep your skin with a lot of moisturizer, because this tend to crack around this area. Okay, so I hope you guys love this review. I'm so freaking tired, and I'm ready to go to bed, remove this makeup, and just soak in my skincare. And if there is any question, talk to me, follow me on Instagram, and please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.